Ellis, can you use your book? Use your book. Not in your mouth. Ellis, can you show Grandma how you use your book?
Red rocket.
Rocket.
Yeah.
What?
What's that?
Joking.
What's that?
George.
What is that? Yeah.
That's rock.
That is a truck.
What is a truck?
It's another truck. Can you put the thing down on the book? Ellis, can you make the music?
Let's get moving.
Good job.
Let's get moving. Let's get moving.
Gentle.